Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Bollywood's Sara Ali Khan and her impeccable traditional fashion choices. From regal saris to vibrant lehengas, Sara's style is nothing short of a fashion fairy tale. Let's get started. The actress has been spotted wearing rich Banarasi saris, often characterized by their intricate gold and silver zari work. These saris not only highlight her connection to Indian heritage but also showcase her love for opulence and grandeur. For a more modern twist, she opts for lighter fabrics like chiffon and georgette. These saris, often adorned with minimalistic designs or subtle embroidery, bring out a blend of grace and modernity. She has also shown a preference for handloom saris, supporting traditional Indian weaving techniques. These saris often feature unique patterns and vibrant colors, reflecting India's rich cultural diversity. Her lehenga choices often include heavily embroidered designs, especially with intricate zari, zadozi, and mirror work. These designs showcase the intricate detailing that is a hallmark of traditional Indian craftsmanship. In recent times, the beauty has also been seen wearing lehengas in pastel and lighter shades. These outfits, often with delicate embroidery and embellishments, reflect a modern take on traditional attire. Adding a touch of freshness, she has also opted for lehengas with floral prints and patterns. These ensembles are perfect for a youthful and vibrant look, blending tradition with contemporary trends. For grand events, the actress chooses anarkalis with heavy embellishments, including sequins, beads, and rich embroidery. These outfits often have long, flowing lengths and dramatic flair. For a more subdued yet sophisticated look, she opts for simpler anarkalis in solid colors or with minimalistic designs. These are often paired with matching or contrasting dupattas, adding to their elegance. Sara also supports handcrafted and printed anarkalis, which often showcase traditional Indian printing techniques like block printing or hand painting. These outfits are a nod to sustainable fashion and traditional craftsmanship. A favorite in her collection, chikankari kurtas, originating from Lucknow, are known for their delicate and intricate hand embroidery. These kurtas often come in light, pastel shades and are paired with churidars or palazzos. She also chooses kurtas with various prints, from block prints to floral patterns, and those with embellishments. These designs are perfect for casual wear, festivals, and even semi-formal events. Her designer salwar kameez choices often feature luxurious fabrics, detailed embroidery, and unique cuts. These outfits strike a balance between traditional and modern aesthetics. She often chooses shararas with rich embroidery, especially those with intricate detailing on the pants and the kurta. These outfits are often paired with dupattas featuring matching or contrasting embroidery. She also wears modern interpretations of sharara and gharara sets, which include contemporary cuts and designs while retaining traditional elements. She often pairs her traditional outfits with statement jewelry pieces like jhumkas, chokers, mantikas, and bangles. These pieces add a regal touch to her look. The actress complements her outfits with traditional footwear like jutis or modis, which are often embroidered or embellished, aligning with the intricate designs of her attire. Adding a quintessential Indian touch, Sara often completes her look with a small bindi and a stack of colorful bangles, enhancing her traditional ensemble. For festive occasions and weddings, she opts for vibrant colors like red, royal blue, emerald green, and fuchsia. These colors not only reflect the celebratory spirit but also complement her radiant personality. Sara also shows a preference for pastels and muted shades, especially in lighter fabrics like chiffon, silk, and cotton. These shades are perfect for daytime events and provide a soft, elegant look. She often wears outfits made from rich fabrics like silk, brocade, and velvet, especially for more formal occasions. These fabrics add a touch of luxury and opulence to her traditional wardrobe. Sara sometimes pairs lehengas with crop tops or contemporary blouses. These tops often feature modern cuts, off-shoulder designs, or trendy embellishments, giving a youthful twist to the conventional lehenga. She has also been seen teaming up saris with blouses that have western cuts or styles, like halter necks or backless designs. This fusion not only modernizes the sari look but also adds an element of surprise and uniqueness. Mixing comfort with tradition, the actress often pairs traditional kurtas with palazzo pants instead of the conventional salwar or churida. This combination is perfect for a casual, comfortable yet stylish appearance. For Diwali and other Indian festivals, the beauty often opts for rich, brightly colored outfits with elaborate embellishments. Golds, reds, and bright oranges dominate her festive wardrobe, adorned with heavy embroidery, sequins, and traditional motifs. During Eid and similar cultural celebrations, Sara favors elegant anarkalis and sharara sets in shades of white, green, and gold. These outfits often feature intricate beadwork and elegant, flowing designs that exude grace and tradition. For summer, she prefers lighter fabrics like cotton and chiffon in pastel shades or floral prints, which are both comfortable and stylish. During the monsoon season, the beauty might choose darker shades and sturdy fabrics that are practical yet fashionable. She frequently dons handloom saris, kurtas, and other traditional attire, celebrating the rich weaving heritage of India. Outfits with traditional hand embroidery, block printing, and tie-dye techniques highlight her support for sustainable and ethical fashion. Her wardrobe includes pieces from emerging Indian designers who often combine traditional techniques with modern aesthetics. By wearing their creations, she brings attention to fresh talent in the Indian fashion scene. She also collaborates with well-known designers like Sabyasachi Mukherjee, Abujani Sandeep Khosla, and Manish Malhotra, who are celebrated for their exquisite traditional designs. These collaborations often result in bespoke outfits that perfectly blend tradition with a contemporary touch. For her day-to-day look, the actress often chooses simple cotton kurtas with subtle prints or embroidery. These kurtas, paired with leggings or jeans, are perfect for a casual yet stylish appearance. She also blends Indian elements with Western casuals, like wearing a traditional kurta with jeans or pairing a flowy skirt with a simple top. This Indo-Western fusion is both comfortable and chic, ideal for daily wear. Her collection includes ethnic tunics and dresses, which are shorter versions of traditional outfits, often adorned with Indian prints and patterns. These are perfect for a casual day out or a simple gathering. For wedding ceremonies, Sara opts for heavy lehengas that are richly embroidered with zari, sequins, and beads. These lehengas often come in traditional colors like red, gold, and deep maroon, reflecting the opulence and festivity of Indian weddings. For pre-wedding functions and traditional ceremonies, she often chooses saris with elaborate borders and rich pallu designs. These saris, usually in silk or brocade, exude a regal charm. The actress blends modern elements into her bridal attire, such as pairing a heavily embroidered lehenga with a contemporary blouse or adding a modern accessory to a traditional sari. These fusion looks are a perfect example of her unique style. Along with statement jewelry, she sometimes wears bespoke pieces that are custom designed to match her outfits. These might include intricately designed necklaces, mantikas, or anklets that add a touch of exclusivity to her ensemble. Her traditional attire is often paired with beautifully embroidered or printed dupattas and shawls. These accessories not only add layers to her outfit but also bring out the intricate details and vibrant colors of her attire. Her hairstyles and makeup often complement her traditional outfits perfectly. She might choose a classic updo or loose waves, adorned with hair accessories, and her makeup usually features kohl-lined eyes and soft, natural tones to highlight her features. Through her fashion choices, Sara has contributed to the revival of classic Indian styles, such as the use of chikankari work, the popularity of Banarasi saris, and the resurgence of traditional lehengas and sharara sets. By frequently wearing handloom and handcrafted outfits, she has played a role in promoting the rich textile heritage of India. This has encouraged many young people to appreciate and embrace traditional Indian craftsmanship. Sara's ability to blend traditional and modern styles has set new trends in the fashion industry. Her fusion outfits and contemporary takes on classic attire inspire designers and fashion lovers to experiment with their own styles. Sara Ali Khan's traditional fashion choices are a beautiful amalgamation of India's rich cultural heritage and modern fashion sensibilities. Her wardrobe showcases a deep respect for traditional craftsmanship while embracing contemporary trends, making her a true fashion icon. That's it for today's video on Sara Ali Khan's fabulous traditional fashion choices. Which outfit was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.